Cascade Designs is and first and foremost, we're an outdoor manufacturing company. We do a lot of technology research on water treatment technologies and stove technologies.
PATH is headquartered in Seattle, Washington, but we have offices all over the world. And our mission is to improve the health of people worldwide.
About 4 years ago, Cascade Designs partnered with PATH, which is a nonprofit organization. And we really found we have very complementary strengths in the area of safe water.
Lack of water and proper sanitation is the leading cause of death and illness worldwide.
So this was the first real product that we targeted towards the base of the pyramid, or the developing world. And so in that way it was different because our customer was way different. And so what they want and what they like is a lot different than what our outdoor users or our military users or the other markets that we're in want.
The PATH Cascade Designs partnership is one of the classic types of PATH partnerships where it's PATH working with a for-profit company to adapt technologies that they manufacture for the low resource settings that PATH targets.
So the SE200 was adapted from an outdoor military product. There were challenges in terms of understanding the customer, and that's really where PATH became such a huge ally for us, is because they really understand the customer.
So we put a lot of time and effort into giving people the device and seeing what they do with it, see how they operate it, see where they're having problems, so that we can come back to Seattle, work with Cascade Designs to come up with strategies, instruction manuals, or anything we can make to make it easier for people to use, or sometimes impossible for the people to use incorrectly.
When we were originally making it, it would do 20 liters every time we ran it. And we thought, okay, well, we'll run it once, and then we'll dump it into the can, and we're done, and then we'll run it again for the next person. And what we learned was that really isn't feasible, because what happens is everybody goes and gets water at the same time. And so then this huge line develops, and everybody's waiting in line. And these are like the busiest people on earth. Wasting their time became a really big issue, and that's why we moved from treating 20 liters per run to treating 200 liters per run, which is why it's the SE200.
So currently, now that we have the technology, the SE200 design is pretty much ready to go. Now PATH and Cascade are working on developing all the support materials that anyone would need to set it up and run it successfully. So those types of things are training protocols, instruction manuals, curriculums that teachers can use in schools, as well as a whole business toolkit that entrepreneurs can use to set up and run a successful water vending business using the SE200.